Hey, Brent here, and I want to show you a new product from Vanspeed. This is the rear tire bag. This is an 80-liter bag. It's made in the USA. It's made of tarpaulin material and metal hardware. This is a massive bag that can hold a lot of goods. You can put your wetsuits in here, your dirty laundry. You can fill it full of wood, or just fill it full of trash when you're out on the trail. This thing, it goes on super quick and it comes off really quick too. So let me show you how that goes. Okay, so what's going to be included in the rear tire bag is going to be the bag itself, this gnarly D-ring right here, reinforced D-ring straps right here, your buckles down there, nice little USA flag right there, and two top straps, a limiter strap, and then the bottom strap right here. So let's go put this thing on. So the first step in putting the bag on is putting on these two top straps. So you want these to land with the buckles to be right at the top of the tread, and you want them to be 12 to 14 inches apart. We got a wheel here that's not going to really allow us to put them exactly where they need to be because the holes are a little too close, or I guess you can say too far. But we're just going to put them in these top ones anyways, and just stretch them out a little bit to hit that 12-inch mark so they're at the appropriate positions. All right, so the first step is just fishing this through your wheel. On our wheel setup with our rack, I found it easiest just to put the strap in there and you just let it fall all the way through to the bottom so then I can go to the bottom and just grab it from there. So once you fish that webbing through, you're gonna grab it up here and you're gonna feed it through the little cam buckle. And then you want the actual clasp to land right at the tread, right about there at the top of the tread. And we can move these out as we need to once we get there, but for now, this is about where we want it at. It's gonna move this way just a little bit. I'll move on to the second one. So now that you got both the straps put through the wheel, now the time you wanna look at it, make sure you have that 12 to 14 inches of spacing between them. In our case, this one's gotta scoot over just a little bit. Just gonna grab it, work it over just a little bit. It's not super critical, but you just wanna get within that 12 to 14. And that should do it right there. All right, so the next step is gonna be grabbing the limiting strap, grabbing your excess from the top straps. You're gonna lace it in. You're gonna lace it back through. And then circle back on itself and go back through one more time. And this is gonna fall and kind of wrap around the whole entire tire. All right, so now that we've got that laced under the tire mount itself, we're gonna grab the excess from the other top strap right here. And we're gonna do the same thing of just lacing it through. And then back on through. So I kind of ran out of all my excess I could pull out on that side. So I'm just gonna hop back over to this side where I have a bunch more excess that I can yank out to make sure this is nice and taut. All right, and the last step before you buckle on your rear tire bag is gonna be grabbing this bottom strap and you're just gonna loop it over the tire, wiggle it on down till it falls down to the bottom. And you want it to land just about right about there. And that's just gonna hang there until you put your bag on. All right, your mounted system's all in place. The final step, hang in your bag. Grab the D-ring, grab your clasp, push down the little spring-loaded deal here, clip it, grab the next D-ring, depress that, clip it, snap it in. And there you have it, the Vanspeed Rear Tire Bag. Easy storage for rugged rides.